Baby symptoms of Calcarea carp. This video is a compilation of symptoms of three different materia medicas, that is from Boric, Kent and Dubé, specifically baby symptoms. So let's start. First, we'll discuss the symptoms from Boric materia medica. Impaired nutrition being the keynote of the remedy. It is best adapted to scrofulous and rachitic children, for children who grow fat and are large-bellied with a large head, pale skin, chalky look and the so-called leukophlegmatic temperament. Children usually crave eggs, salt, sweets, eat dirt and other indigestible things like chalk, coal, pencils, etc. and are also prone to diarrhea. Children who need Calcarea carp are fair, fat and flabby. Head is with open fontanelles, enlarged. There is great itching of the scalp. Baby scratches scalp on waking. Perspiring is cold, damp and sore, usually over the head in children, so much so that the pillow becomes wet. And children are also late in learning to walk. Next comes the symptoms from the Kent materia medica. Children are with deficient teeth or no teeth at all. Muscles get emaciated above the neck and from there downwards. Child is cross and fretful and are easily frightened. Fontanelles remain open for the long time. In hydrocephalic children, sweating head is a common feature. Little children naturally long for eggs. Children with cold feet, emaciated extremities, large heads, enlarged abdomen. Stomach is distended like an inverted saucer and slender extremities with pale skin. Babies are sometimes wormy. They are with worm infestations. Sore vomiting, sore diarrhea in children. Soreness once called for this remedy which excoriates the parts. Every time he gets cold, it renews the diarrhea. So when it is an acute attack, Dulcamara often relieves it, but when it has recurred several times, Dulcamara can no longer relieve it and Calcarea carp then becomes one of the remedies. Now, symptoms from Dubé materia medica. The child is fair, fatty and flabby. Do remember this is the keynote of this remedy. Face is red and muscles are also flabby. Head is large and abdomen is swollen and looks like an inverted saucer. The bones are very weak and soft. They develop very slowly. The weak bone is unable to sustain and hold the weight of the body and therefore there is late learning to walk. Fontanelles and sutures remain open for a very long time and there is also delayed ossification. There are curvatures of bones, especially of spine and long bones. The extremities are crooked and deformed bones develop irregularly. Babies are with difficult and delayed dentition. Teeth do not appear in time. Usually, Calcarea carp child is constipated, but there may be sore and offensive diarrhea during dentition, also with sore vomiting. The whole body smells sore, so also all excretions. The milestones of the baby's life are delayed. The baby is also somewhat deficient and mentally idiotic. The sweat is well marked in the back of the head, neck, chest and upper part of the body. Head sweats profusely while sleeping, wetting the pillow far around. The baby has tubercular diathesis with enlarged glands. Because of profuse sweating, baby takes cold as a consequence and also the baby wants to be magnetized like phosphorus. And that's it for the baby symptoms of Calcarea carp.